Welcome back to Korean Step by Step. In this lesson, we'll cover proverbs of effort and patience. A proverb is a short traditional saying that carries a lesson. In this lesson, we learn proverbs that stress effort and patience. It means that even very small things, when gathered, become something great. It is used to encourage steady saving or effort. This word means, as the saying goes, many a little makes a makel. I saved 1,000 won a day and it became 1,000,000 won. Listen.
티끌 모아 태산이라고 매일 1,000원씩 저금했더니 100만 원이 됐어요.
No matter how big a task, it begins with a small start. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. It matches the English idea of starting with a single step. This word means, since every journey starts with one step. Let's just memorize 10 words today. Listen.
천리 길도 한 걸음부터니까 오늘은 단어 10개만 외워보자.
This word means they say joy comes after hardship, and I finally passed. Listen.
고생 끝에 낙이 온다더니 드디어 합격했어요.
This word means a tower built with effort will not collapse. Listen.
공든 탑이 무너지랴.
This word means you can't fill your belly with the first spoonful. Listen.
첫 술에 배부르랴. 처음부터 잘할 순 없죠.
This word means no tree falls without being struck 10 times. Listen.
10번 찍어 안 넘어가는 나무 없다더니 결국 해냈어요.
This word means if you dig a well, dig one well. Listen.
우물을 파도 한 우물을 파라.
This word means starting is half the work. Listen.
시작이 반이다.
Both and stress persistence and focus. They are often used to encourage someone not to give up. Here's a summary table. Let's read the examples.
티끌 모아 태산 천리 길도 한 걸음부터 고생 끝에 낙이 온다 공든 탑이 무너지랴 첫 술에 배부르랴 10번 찍어 안 넘어가는 나무 없다.
Proverbs sound natural when introduced with quoting forms like or. Now let's practice. Read these out loud before I do.
티끌 모아 태산이라고 매일 1,000원씩 저금했더니 100만 원이 됐어요. 천리 길도 한 걸음부터니까 오늘은 단어 10개만 외워보자. 고생 끝에 낙이 온다더니 드디어 합격했어요. 공든 탑이 무너지랴. 첫 술에 배부르랴. 처음부터 잘할 순 없죠.
Great job! Try them again on your own. Let's recap what we covered today. Tiny dust gathered makes a great mountain. A journey of 1,000 li starts with one step, stressing persistence. Great work! Practice proverbs of effort and patience with native audio and quizzes at korean.mycorepic.com. If this helped, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next lesson.